Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set live wallpapers on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now just type this and download this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on Open. Now just tap on Accept and Continue and tap on Not Now. Now just tap on this X icon. From here, just tap on Video Wallpapers. Now just scroll down and select the video wallpaper you like. I will select this one. Now from here, just tap on Download. Now from here, just tap on Set Video Wallpaper. Now just tap on Set Wallpaper. Now you can set it as your home screen wallpaper, or you can set it as your home screen and lock screen wallpaper. I will select home screen wallpaper. Now as you can see, this is how you can set live wallpapers on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.